If you want to create a Beehiiv newsletter from start to finish, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know how to write your newsletter, format it properly, choose your audience, preview it, and send it out either right away or on a schedule. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Start Writing button and click it. This is the fastest way to begin a new newsletter in Beehiiv. Next, choose Blank Draft. Selecting a blank draft gives you a clean starting point, which is perfect if you want full control over the layout and content of your newsletter. Now enter your newsletter title. Make sure your title is clear, relevant, and attention-grabbing, because this is one of the first things your readers will notice. After that, go into the editor and write the body of your newsletter. You can type your content directly into the editor and build out your message section by section. As you write, think about keeping your newsletter easy to read with short paragraphs and clear ideas. Beehiiv also gives you useful formatting tools. So if you want to make your newsletter look more polished, click the plus button to add things like headings, images, buttons, links, or dividers. Headings help break up long text. Images make the newsletter more visually appealing. Buttons can drive clicks. Links can send readers to your website or products. And dividers help organize different sections. Once your content looks good, move over to the Email tab. Here, you'll enter your email subject line. This is important because your subject line can strongly affect whether people open the newsletter or ignore it. If you want, you can also add preview text. Preview text gives subscribers a quick glimpse of what the email is about before they open it. So it's worth taking a moment to write something engaging. After that, click the Audience tab. This is where you choose who will receive your newsletter. You can send it to all subscribers or choose a specific segment, depending on your audience and the message you're sharing. If you want the newsletter to appear on your Beehiiv website too, click the Web tab next. From there, you can customize the web post settings if needed, so your published version looks the way you want it to on your site. When everything is set up, click Review. This step is really important because it lets you check everything before your newsletter goes live. Look through both the desktop and mobile previews so you can make sure the layout, spacing, images, and links all look correct on different devices. It's also a smart idea to send a test email to yourself. That way you can see exactly what your subscribers will receive and catch any formatting issues before publishing. If something looks off, go back and fix it now so your final newsletter looks professional. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish. Beehiiv will then give you the option to send now or schedule your newsletter for later. If your content is time-sensitive, send now is the fastest option. If you want to publish at the best time for your audience, schedule is a great choice. And that's how you create a Beehiiv newsletter from start to finish. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.